Hi my blessed beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you would have just saw, I basically installed this wig on camera and I wanted to do this video for a while now, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna do it. So I hope you guys did enjoy watching me install the wig. That will be in the next clip that you will see after this, but I had to do the intro look like this. So we're here, but if you're new here, hi, welcome, thanks for stopping by. I hope you subscribe. I hope you want to be a part of the Blessed Beauty slash, you know, community. Blessed Beauties community, sorry. Guys, I haven't said this in a long while, child. Whew. But thank you so much for your love and support, and definitely keep on watching the video how I install this wig. I just kind of like wet it a little bit more and kind of like slick it back, but I didn't use any mousse. And you'll see throughout the clips that you're about to see that I didn't bother to use any mousse, and the reason for that is I'm going to wear this wig again at the end of the week, and I don't really want to style it right now because maybe the morning after I'm going to feel a different vibes. And I just watched it recently. I watched it actually yesterday, so yeah. But that's, yeah, you just need to add water, more water and mousse if you want that look, you know. We'll never see it more on the channel, but as I said, I have my reason why I didn't do it for this particular video. I just added a little bit of water, but not much. So without further ado, keep on watching. Okay guys, so for this installation you're gonna need your water and your mousse. Also gonna need your vent brush and your edge control brush. This is mine's. And then for edge control, you can use whatever you have. I go between these, but I'm gonna be using the red one today. And then the wig, for those who may be wondering, I did do a review on this wig. It's from Shein, so I'll have the link in the description box. It will be the first link, so make sure you go check it out. And then we're also going to need a wig cap, of course. So this is my wig cap. It's a black one. You can use whatever you have. And then I have my headband. It's also black. And a scrunchie. So the scrunchie I'm going to use to tie the back of my hair up. And you want to make sure your hair is flat for this installation, guys. So next clip. Alright, so let's start. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig cap first, and again, I have a black one. You can use whatever color you want. I just like to use the black one, you know. Yeah, so disclaimer, I'm not gonna be using glue, so yeah, but right now I'm gonna slick down my edges, so I will need my edge brush and of course my edge control. This is it. This is the one I use. It really helps to hold on the hair. I did a video on this. I did a review on this edge control, so I'll have that link down in the description box as well for those who may be wondering. So I'm just going in and slicking it down, and then I'm going to use my brush after, which you will see to really get them laid. Okay, so yeah, what else do I have to share in this video? This is a voiceover video, as you already know. And now I'm going to go in with my brush to get them sleek and so on. Yeah, I also have a detailed edge doing how to do your baby hair video on my channel, so I have to link those 3 videos down in my description box for the persons who may be interested in seeing that. I know that you guys are out there, so I'll have that provided for you guys. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna sleek down my edges, make it all laid, honey, and sleek back. Now, I do believe I was the original creator of the headband wig synergy because, honey, it's just that when I created my wigs, no, when I created my headband wig style, it was just never something I would have taken 100% serious to say make it a business. But girl, I'm the originator of that. Okay, I just didn't get it like licensed and signed and everything. But anyway, yeah, going in now and doing my sideburns, you understand, and so I gotta get that edges laid, child. Yeah, guys, I was going to use this video to kind of do like a chit chat wherever I can squeeze it in, but yeah, guys, I don't know how I'm able to still give you guys videos knowing how I've been feeling lately, but God is good. I guess He's good to be helping me with this. Alright, so we're back again. Still going in and making sure my edges are laid. So now I'm going to push the wig cap to the front a little bit more, get it all aligned and everything to put on this wig. Okay, she's looking cute. Alright, so here's a wig, as I showed you guys already. It's really nice, soft. I washed it the day before this video, so it's clean. And I also washed my hair the day before this video as well, so my hair and the wig is both clean. So I'm gonna go on and slip on the wig now. And guys, when I tell you, this wig is a 10 out of 10 for me. So what I do is I tuck the lace, because I may use the lace in the future, and I don't know, but that's how I do it. I tuck the lace. I don't cut off the lace because, well, I don't want to tuck it off. I mean, I don't want to take it off, because suppose we want to lay it down with glue one day, understand? So that's where the headband come in, because the headband will now disguise the idea, say the lace is still there. The ear was so nice, guys. Whenever I want to put nothing on there, you're going to see that throughout the video. So whenever I want to put nothing on there, because it looks so good by itself, you know. So yeah, just need to straighten it up, fix it up, make sure say it the way you need it for this, so that when you put on the headband, it look nice and everything, right? So this is it. So now I'm going to my headband. I bought this headband in Jamaica, of course, because I live in Jamaica, in a store called Woolworth. So yeah, you can get any headband that you have. I like this one for it though. It gives a nice shape to the head. As I said, I never fix it better, because you see me kind of cover my edges, and that's not the look I was going for. But I guess it's later on I did move it up a little. But yeah, guys, do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe in this video while you're watching it. Please and thanks. I appreciate the love and the support. Alright, so the wig, the installation kind of almost finished now, because I was going to wear this wig at the end of the week. I didn't want to go in with mousse and water, because I was saying I wanted to style it at the end of the week, so I never wanted to be pre-styled where I forgot, because you know I wash it and thing and all of that stuff. I said I don't want to wash it out back again, and you know, mousse to go. So right now I'm going with some spray water, because I kind of feel like they're all over the place. This morning I recorded voice over, and then I forgot to record it over back, and here we are now. Anyway, using the water to spray it. I never spray it 100%, because as I say, I need not try style it too much, right? So yeah, but the wig nice, guys. The wig nice. I'm gonna tell you, so the wig nice. This video was supposed to be recorded shortly after the review, but of course it never worked out, so now we're there. So yeah, I use my vent brush, comb me through, make sure so the curl them look like how them for look and thing. Yeah, I'm sorry, so I never bother put mousse in it. I forgot probably do one next video with that. I don't know. Maybe I have to put it now and get ready with me or something. But here's the mousse that I'm about to show you guys. This is the one I use. I use a lot of body before too, but I like this one more, from Olive Oil. Wig nice and all. Trust me, I never want to put nothing in it. But yeah. Yeah, guys, do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, blessed beauties. Mwah. Bye.